Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel YO22 Excel Chapter 11 Prepare Financial Analysis Part A. So if you want to complete my MylTLab courses is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses is accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So we move to the main project step number 1. So step number 1 is start Excel, download and open the file name. Excel chapter 11 prepare financial analysis part A creator automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Save the file location where you are storing your file. So go to the Excel worksheets. I have already downloaded the Excel file. So question number 2 is on the loan analysis 1 to 3 worksheets in a cell B11, calculate the monthly payment from the bank perspective for a loan option and due in the beginning of the periods. The result of the calculations should be post value. On the loan analysis 1 to 3 worksheets, so go to the Excel worksheet and go to the loan analysis 1 to 3 worksheets, and next is in cell B11, calculate the monthly payment from the bank perspective loan option 1 that will be due beginning of the periods. The result of the calculation to the positive value. So insert the PMT function is the monthly payment and bank the perspective loan option 1. So go to the Excel worksheet and select the cell as B11. So insert the monthly payment function, type is equal to and type the PMT functions. So select the B7 divided by B9 and type a comma. So select the B7 to B9, type a comma and B9 B8 multiplied by B9. So select the B8 sorry B8 multiplied by B9 B9 type comma and minus B6. So select the B6 and type the comma and type 1 close bracket and press enter. So result is 2792.46. So question number 1 and 2 is complete, and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is the rate function to calculate the interest rate per period for an investments or loan, given that you know the present value of the loan payment amount and number of payment period. In cell E11, calculate the interest rate for a loan option 2 from the bank perspective in which the payment is due at the beginning of the period. So in cell E11, so select the cell is E11 and loan option from the bank perspective in which the payment is due at the beginning of the period. So E11, so insert the rate function in cell E11. So select the cell is E11, type is equal to and type the rate function. Sorry, type the rate function, and next is E8 multiplied by E9 and E7, type a comma minus E6 type the comma and type a 1 multiplied by E9. So multiply by E9 is payment per years and press enters. So result is 5.718%. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is the number of period function or Napier function calculate the number of payment periods of an investment or loan if you know the loan amount, interest rate, and payment amounts in cell B18. Calculate the number of period on loan. Option 3. So the number of periods function or Napier function and the number of payments period to period amount, loan amounts, interest rate, and payment amount in cell B18. Calculate the number of period on loan. Option 3. So insert the Napier function and payment period of investments and loan amounts, interest rate, and the payment amount in cell B18. So calculate the number of period on loan. Option 3. So select the B18. So select the cell is B18 and insert the Napier function. So type is equal to and type the Napier function. Next is Napier function calculate the number of payment periods for an investment or loan if you know the loan amount, interest rate, and payment amount in cell B18. Calculate the number of period on loan. Option 3. So select the B15 is the interest rate and type divided by payment per year in cell B16. Type the comma and B17 is monthly payment. Type the comma and next is interest rate and payment amount. So period of investments loans and you know loan amount and interest rate and payment amount. And next is B14 is loan amount and type the minus and close bracket and press enter. So result is 82. So calculate the number of period on loan. Option 3 is 82. So question number 4 is complete. We move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is with the com PMT functions and Excel does not allow you place the negative sign in the front of the PV argument. Thus, to display the number from the bank perspective as a positive number, you can simply and place the negative sign before the function name on the loan analysis. 4 worksheets in the cell B13 calculate the total cumulative interest paid during a 3-year loan from the bank perspective. So insert the compmt functions and Excel does not allow you place the negative sign in the front the PV argument and display the number of bank perspective as a positive number, and you can simply place the negative sign before the function name on the loan analysis 4 worksheets. On the loan analysis worksheets, go to the loan analysis 4 worksheets, and next is in cell B13 calculate that the total cumulative interest paid during a 3-year loan from the bank perspective. So in cell B13, so select the cell is B13 and calculate the total cumulative interest paid during the 3-year loan from the bank perspective. So type is equal to and cumulative compempty functions and B7 is interest rate and divided by B9 is payment per year. Type the comma, and next is positive number, simplify the negative sign before the function, and total cumulative interest paid during a 3-year loan from the bank perspective. So B7 to B9 and B8. So select the B8 is term of loan and multiply by multiply by B8 to B9 is payment per year. Payment per year, type a comma, and next is B6 is loan amount and type a comma, type the 1 comma 12 is total month and type a comma 0 and close bracket and press enter, and sign in is the negative sign and press enter. So result is 36,570.43. So question number 5 is complete. We move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is in cell B17 calculate the total cumulative interest paid per year for the loan from the bank perspective. Copy the formula down to cell B28. In cell B17, so select the cell as B17, and next is calculate the total cumulative interest paid year for the loan from the bank perspective and copy the formula down through cell B28. So in cell B17, so select the cell is B17 and type is equal to, type the compmt function, IPMT function, and the next is B7 is term of loan and select the B7 is interest rate and apply the absolute side reference, press F4 button, divided by so total cumulative interest paid per year for the loan from the bank perspective and copy the formula down through cell B28. B7 divided by B9 is the payment per years and press F4 button, absolute cell reference, type a comma, B7 and B9 and select the term of loan B8 and apply the absolute cell reference F4, B9 to B8 multiply by B9. So multiply by B9 is payment per years and press F4 button, apply the absolute side reference and type a comma, and next is B6 is loan amounts, and select the F4 button. Press F4 button. So next is type the interest paid per year for the loan of the bank perspective. Next is A17. So select the A17 and type a comma, and again A17. A70, type a comma and type the 0, close bracket, and press enter. So result is 5406.25 and paid is loan respective to the negative numbers. So type the negative sign and press enter. Next is copy the formula down through cell B28. So copy the formula in cell B28 with the function in cell B28. So question number 6 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab courses, is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. If you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email.